이제 열어보세요. What's in there?
birthday라서 푸시앤 박스 안에 뭐가 들어있나?
2, 3.
Oh my.
와. 다
봐봐. 꺼내봐.
그래서 다 열어봐. 뭐가 있나?
아,
카드네.
뭐라고 써있어?
와, 그게 뭐야?
Pusheen balls.
this is.
블랭킷이야?
Let's see.
샤워하고.
Winter 2018 Snow Day. 바이닐 피규어가 있네.
It's a.
Oh, what is it?
샤워하고 나오면은 추우니까 입는 거예요.
아하.
아니지, 첫 번째 거. first one. 아니, 맨 위에서부터 해야지.
꼭 안 해도 되지 않나?
그래서 해보면 어떻게 하는 건가? 우와, 추우니까 그거
Like
입는 게
판초 같은 거네.
응.
Cool.
와, 입고 앉아서 열어봐 이제. And what is next? What is in there? What is it?
Pillowcase.
오픈해. 제니퍼 필로케이스 해줘야 되겠다.
필로 케이스가 들어가 있어?
음.
One or two?
2.
Two? Okay. One for mine.
Ooh. Morning.
Night. Morning one side,
Morning.
and the other side is night.
Night.
Cool. It's big enough.
Maybe. Morning, night.
What? Where? How can I?
Papa.
Where?
It's right here.
Oh yeah, right there.
Another one.
Okay, another one is same.
하나씩.
Night. 여기는 반대는
This one.
morning.
Night. Morning.
Okay.
들고 있어봐. 아, 예쁘네.
Okay, so what's next?
This.
그 뭐야?
A stencil.
Stencil? Open it.
거기 파우더 같은 거 뿌려 먹으면 좋겠다, 제니퍼, 그치? 팬케이크 같은 데다가 초콜릿 파우더, 코코아 파우더.
Oh. Three of them? Stencil. It's latte stencil.
어,
그 라떼도.
What's this?
Okay.
Socks.
what?
Aww.
제니퍼 잠잘 때 신으면 되겠네. 잠잘 때는 근데 양말 안 신기더라.
아빠는 응?
Can you give me a scissor, please?
Scissors right there. Yeah. There you go.
프레시는 이쪽으로.
주세요.
이쪽으로 주세요.
Here.
오케이.
Here.
양말 좀 봐봐. 들어봐봐. 양말. 오 귀여워. 뒤쪽은 발꿈치 있는 쪽으로 돼 있어. 아이씨. 고.
제니퍼 딱 맞겠네.
자, what's next?
What's this? holiday greeting cards.
That is that you can writing to somebody? Open it. Let me see.
This Christmas에 쓰면 되겠네, 그지?
We could put my birthday invitations in here. But there's only 2.
Never mind.
Never mind. You can use for this Christmas.
So one is envelope, one is card. Is that right? So 2 envelope, 2 cards. Oh, like this.
What's this?
Pusheen.
That's extra.
And this is a envelope. Oh, this is cute. Pusheen. And you like that? All right.
What's this? Garland! I could use this for my birthday.
Oh, open it.
어떻게 쓰는 거야? I'm gonna use it.
You hang it on the wall.
Happy birthday 옆에다가 행하시는 거지.
Oh, is that right?
Like this.
Oh, like that?
예.
What you doing? What you doing?
It's good to have before your birthday, right?
해봐, 쭉 펴봐. 해봐.
오.
All the way. There you go. Oh, hold this side. No, that side. Oh, like that.
Backwards.
Oh,
Back-
that's backward. Okay, you
Mommy,
grab over
mommy.
here. There you go.
Like this.
Like that, huh? Pusheen's hanging in the air.
Okay, I'll just
Okay.
Here.
right here. What's this? Ooh, Pusheen tissue.
Pusheen tissue. Where? Let me see.
That's extra. Mommy's gift.
Okay, let's see. This is Pusheen tissue. Like travel tissue. What? Look at this. Look at this cushion right here. Okay. Yeah, this is for like travel use. 인사이드에도 이렇게 푸시 모양이 여기 딱 다 있네. 귀엽게 여기 1, 2, 3. Alright, what's next?
제니퍼 이거 케이크 위에다 올려놓으면 되겠네.
뭔데?
Yeah, it's a pencil figure.
Oh.
I'm gonna open it. Aww. That's so cute.
제니퍼 케이크 위에다 올려놓을게.
아, 이거 완전 귀엽다.
케이크 무너지겠다.
뒤는 바르면 어떻게 됐어? 뒤는 이렇게 됐고 바르면은 스. 이거 뭐야 이거?
꼬리.
뭐라고?
꼬리.
꼬리?
이거 뭐야? 스토미야?
Stormy.
스토미가 누구야?
Stormy.
Pusheen's little
Pusheen.
sister.
얘는
That it's a snowman that they built.
Snow day. Male, hi, I'm Pusheen, the cat. Pusheen.
And
8.
What's next?
Pusheen earmuffs.
해봐.
해봐.
keep this.
옆으로 해봐.
옆으로 잘 보이게.
오.
Turn around. The other side. No, the other side. There you go. It's so cute.
It's nice.
Okay. So what's
it?
next?
That's it?
A pencil.
That's
Or a
that's
pen.
mommy's gift.
Okay, that's it. That is all for Pusheen box that Jennifer got it for birthday. Even the box,
The box.
bottom of the box에는
고양이 파.
I'm gonna keep
the
the
cat
box.
paw
그래.
and backside
태어.
there's a tail. Front of the box, the Pusheen face. So cute though. Oh, let me see.
It's tiny.
Is it pencil or a pen?
Pen.
It's a pen.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Mommy's right there.
Mommy is right here. Alright, good job.
Good job.
Happy birthday, Jen.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.